Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're continuing with the holiday decorations and we're going to be putting up our Christmas village, and we actually have a pretty good collection of our lemax Christmas village and other little accessories, and we're gonna try something new in a different location. So I'm excited to share it with you guys. Some of these pieces I've had for many years and some of them are brand new. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you kind of where I'm thinking of putting it this year, and fingers crossed it's going to work and look good. All right, so this is still an absolute chaos because we just decorated the Christmas tree, but we're not gonna focus there. We are actually gonna go right over here. So normally we have our Christmas village kind of set up over here, but obviously as you could see, it's just not enough space. So this year I thought, what if we took all of this off and decked it out in fake snow and kind of stack the Christmas villages and accessories throughout. I think that could potentially look good. Anyways, these are the options. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Before we start the video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with someone who loves decorating for Christmas. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. Alright, let me show you my gorgeous collection of lemax Christmas village. Alright, Aiden's just wrapping up a few little things. We're gonna put this bin away. And here are our houses and cottages, some of the Christmas trees that we have. We do have different kind of snow beds, and then over here is like the different levels to raise up the village. Who's excited? Me. I think we're pretty much done, so I just wanted to show you some of our houses really quick. This one we got in memory of our puppy, well, our dog, our old man who has passed away. And this is a new one I picked up this year from Michael's. These little guys, I fell in love with them last year. They had them in Home Goods, so I definitely have quite a few of them. We have a bingo, we have a cabin. These are the trees from lemax. This is a new one that I picked up this year. It's so cool, I love all the details. This I got, again, I think last year or the year before, to kind of like represent me and my boys. And we have this house. This one doesn't light up, but I just like it so much. And wasn't sure what to put all the way in the bottom, so we just put these little animals that I have forever from Pure One. We do have to kind of put the cords away. You could see them a little bit, but I think we'll figure that out like tomorrow. And this whole village, Aiden pretty much did all on his own. So we have this little one. They're all so cute, but year after year I say the same thing, that they just are so fragile. This one was new last year and it was expensive because it used to blow steam that looked like smoke, and it doesn't work. And we had to hot glue this one. We had to hot glue this. We had to hot glue a couple of other things. So I think our village is coming together. Carousel, my mom gave it to us many years ago. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Did a good job, Aiden.
Thank you.
All right, turn off the lights. Let's show this what it looks like.
All right.
It's officially evening. I'm here with my beautiful tree. We had a very rainy, windy day here in New York City. It's gross. But it's time to open some wine. I'm not sure what happened. I'm pretty sure this is my day 3, because I don't see anything, but I don't know who pushed this in. I know it wasn't me. So this is the wine we're having tonight. Should be good. Okay, and I decided that we need to open up this together as well, but it's just like a little hard to open this because I'm afraid it's all going to fall out. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Woo! Doesn't that look so pretty? I just love it. All right. I kept 1 and 2 here because I figured it's gonna be more organized. So here's number 3. And how am I supposed to get it out? Let me see. I'm gonna move it like this, like Tetris, with 1 hand. All right, well, gotta put this away right away. All right, so we have a shower gel. Let me see, can it focus? There's too much going on probably. Here we go. So it's a luxurious shower gel cream. Pretty big size, I have to say. It's 1.6 ounces. Let me smell it. Okay, I got my wine. Sorry, my skin is so red and so dry. I need a good moisturizer tonight at night. It's crazy. Anyways, before I drink my wine, this, I'm not loving this smell at all. I don't even know how to describe it. It's gonna give me a migraine. So I'm not even, like, I didn't even open it all the way and I was like, whoa, this scent is really strong. So I'm going to have to skip this. I'm gonna offer it to my mom, see maybe if she likes it, but this is definitely a no-no for me because I am prone to have headaches, bad headaches, migraines, and that is going to cause a migraine for sure. It's gonna trigger one. But anyways, enough of that. Let's enjoy some wine. So this is it. Smells good. It's good. A little bit dry. A little bit maybe on the sour-ish side. But it's good. It's strong. I think this is 12.5 alcohol. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. It was so much fun decorating and putting out our Christmas village. It's something that me and Aiden really love to do. so much, and then little Andrew just kind of like comes in, puts something, and walks away. Anyways, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. Now it's time to clean up the mess we made, and we're gonna continue decorating tomorrow.